Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to create and manage a social media calendar using teamwork.com. This is your full guide for 2025. Firstly, once you're logged into your Teamwork account, navigate to the Calendar tab at the top. This is where we'll be creating and managing our social media posts. The reason we do this is to have all our upcoming social media activities in one place, making it easy to keep track of. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Event button. Here, you'll input all the details of your social media post, the platform it's for, the content, the date and time for publishing. This helps us because it allows for meticulous planning and scheduling of our posts. The next step is to add team members to the event. To do this, click on the Attendees field and select the relevant team members involved in the creation of the post. Let me explain why this matters. By adding team members, you're ensuring everyone involved is aware of their tasks, promoting efficiency and collaboration. Once you're happy with all the details, click Add to save the event to the calendar. But remember, this isn't a one-time task. Continually update the calendar as you plan more posts. This keeps your social media strategy dynamic and up to date. Now, managing your social media calendar is just as important. To edit an event, simply click on it in the calendar view and then click Edit. This will bring up the event's details where you can make any necessary changes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you make a change, teamwork.com automatically updates it for all the attendees, keeping everyone in the loop. That's it. You've learned how to create and manage a social media calendar using teamwork.com. This tool is a great way to stay organized, keep your team informed, and maintain a consistent social media presence. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.